Let me ask you a question. How many hours have you have in a day? How many hours Bill Gates have? Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg. Obviously, in Earth, more than 7 billion of people live and all have only 24 hours in a day. 730 hours per month and 8760 hours in a day. Time is saved for every single person. You have to decide how you can use your time effectively. Managing your time is more important because time is everything and you can't buy time for you. You can simply say managing time is time management, and we are going to see some of the tips that are going to help you to manage your time. The first one is focus on one task. You may notice when you are working on something, you may face lots of distraction and you do multiple things at a time, like when you watch your smartphone while you are eating. Multitasking may good for some people, but it may bad for you. You will get lots of distraction. The most important thing, you will consume lots of time also. You will face ineffective or error in your work also, and that's not bad. Focus on one task will save lots of time, and don't think about other tasks in that time. Thinking about other tasks will divert your mind and you will lose concentration. The second tip I will share is planning the day in advance. Planning is a crucial part when you want something achieve or accomplish. Whether it's a New Year party, friend's birthday party, or school science project, or a big business plan, all you need is planning. When you plan something, your mind will get a new aspects, and lots of situation arises and act like that. Your subconscious mind will juggle around new aspect of ideas and form a mind map, a road map or a node map in your brain and lead towards to execute or implement your ideas. So planning advance in a night about your goals will send message to your brain to find possible ways how someone can achieve that goal. The third thing I will share is keep a to-do list. While you plan in a night, you need to do a to-do list. The to-do list is basically a list of work you want to do in the next day. You can create a to-do list in a piece of paper or you can help some of the best applications also. I always use piece of paper to do my to-do list and sometimes use Todoist. This is one of the best when you need to do a to-do list in a application. When you create a to-do list, you give your plan a tangible form. That means you can touch and look how it's looking, and you can monitor your process. The fourth tip I want to share you is preventing distraction. Take a plan, make a roadmap for it, but when you have to do think, lots of distractions surround yourself will bind you and give you back to your comfort zone. You want to achieve something fast, you have to eliminate all your distractions, then you will able to achieve in your plan. To prevent distractions, create a workspace where you always only work. Turn off all notifications from the device. Try to avoid distractions while you are working. Have a short time of a break. Use applications like Cold Turkey and stay focused when you distract. The fifth tip I want to share is prioritizing. Prioritizing a list of work means that you give some importance to your work and want to complete those tasks or work. Try to give priority to those tasks which are most important and urgent to do. Implementing the Eisenhower matrix, we will talk about the concept about it later also in many videos. We'll be able to solve your priority problem. When I need it, I always try to implement those things when I need to choose from the task bucket and give priority to my most important and urgent tasks. The sixth one I want to share is delegating. Suppose you have to do an important assignment and you have to do shopping. What you are going to do, sit back in your home or write that assignment, or you will go to shopping mall. It's your planning. While you filter out your tasks, some of those you will found those you can eliminate or can delegate to other people to do. The important but not so urgent tasks. Implementing those tactics will help you to create lots of time for yourself. Thanks for listening and watching this video. If you want to know more tips, tricks, strategy and tactics, head over to the website called productivitysite.com and you can see lots of tips and lots of knowledge you can gain.